Hey, thanks for finding us, and we're really glad you're here.
We are so excited for our upcoming business planning workshop. And the ones that we have planned in the past, you can check out the testimonials below. The clients have had so much clarity and focus and some fun as well.
Definitely. And what we found is listen, there's lots of opportunities for
Mhm.
you to attend workshops, and you can do planning for your business, and you can set up all the spreadsheets that you want. But we're going to offer you a unique opportunity in our workshop because we're going to combine business planning as well as coaching and understanding what are some of those obstacles that are getting in the way of you creating the business that you've always wanted.
Well, and let's help them out here. We are unique in the fact that Jim is a business coach.
Mhm.
I'm a life coach. We have both our own separate businesses and we work together as well with business owners. So we understand all of it and we bring our unique expertise to all of it. And you get the whole day with a business coach and with a life coach to help you with the mindset as well. So it's unique. It is a powerful day where you get to connect with the people at your table that are like minded business owners from the Fraser Valley. I don't think there's anything else like it out there.
So we encourage you, take this step today to sign up to come to the workshop. And if you're still not sure about it, check out some of the testimonials
Mm.
on our page because there's some pretty fantastic stories from attendees and what they've had happen in their business and how it's changed their business and their life.
Can't wait to see you there. Bye for now.